Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hannah and today I am going to be doing another fabulous budget-friendly DIY showcasing the ever so popular Dollar Tree picture frames, mirror picture frames. And yes, I've already done that before. So if you did miss one of those videos, then look right there in the iCard, check your description box, or look at the end videos that I will have put up at the end, and be sure to check out that video because it is awesome, you guys. But I'm going to be showcasing those same picture frames again. I did buy a lot, and so I still have more to do DIYs with. And today I'm going to be doing a mirrored picture frame box for a bridal shower as a centerpiece. So I'm going to show you guys how I create this easy budget-friendly DIY. If you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, I invite you to go ahead and do that now by clicking that subscribe button right down below, turn your post notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started with this DIY. These are the frames, you guys, that you will need to create this DIY. So you're going to need 4 of these frames, and these are the popular mirrored frames. This is one set of them. There's about 2 or 3 floating around, but this is one of the sets, and this is the 2.5 by 3.5 mirrored frame. You can find them at your Dollar Tree, and if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, try dollartree.com. Now they come with this little piece of plastic here. They do not come with a glass film. This little piece of paper, you pull it off, it is there to keep the front of the plastic from getting scratched up. So this is going to be used with pictures, and I have my pictures here, which is a lovely picture of my beautiful sister and my soon-to-be brother-in-law. This DIY will be one of the centerpieces that will be used at her bridal shower. So just take whatever picture you want to use. If you want to use a picture, and if you don't, you can just use some type of decorative paper or cardstock. So this is how it looks in the frame. I put the back already back together. Let's send some congratulations to my sister on her new journey that she will be embarking on very soon. So here's another picture of her. So I have 2 different pictures, and on the other 2 frames of this box, I am going to be using this very pretty silver glitter cardstock from Recollections, and this is the barcode in case you need it. And I purchased this from Michael's Craft Store. I hope it's still in stock because I actually purchased some of this paper a little while back. So I'm going to take the little paper that comes into the picture frame, and I'm just going to sit it on my cardstock because I want to cut out an exact piece as the little paper. And so I should have a piece like this. Now this is what I'm going to put in the other 2 frames instead of a picture. So I'm going to have 2 pictures and 2 cardstock pieces per centerpiece. So I'm going to put the picture back together. Alright, so just in case you guys wanted to see how I did that, I'm going to actually show you me cutting out the very last one, and it's self-explanatory. So you should have 2 of these and 2 of those. Now let's start constructing our centerpiece. So I'm going to take the 2 pieces that have the decorative cardstock in it, and I'm going to make like a teepee. So I'm going to lean them up against each other, making sure that the top kind of sticks together or meets together very well. And I am going to use my hot glue gun, which I am having issues with, and put glue right down the middle, let it dry, and then I'm going to flip it over just like this and add more glue right down the crease just for extra support. So that is what I did there. Now that I've got that together and it is dry, so there's the glue, now we are going to take our pictures and we're going to pop off the backs of the pictures off those, and we're just going to glue it down to the sides, and I'm going to do that for both sides, okay you guys? Now you want to take a mirrored square, just a plain mirrored square, and if you don't want to use a mirrored square, you can use another piece of decorative cardstock on top of the poster board. But you're going to take that piece and you're going to glue it down to the top of this little teepee set, and it should look just like that. So pretty much this bottom section is complete. Now we need to decorate, and I wanted to add a teacup and saucer to the top, since her theme is Glam and Pearls Bridal Tea Shower. However, my glue gun has been tripping seriously, so I'm just going to show you guys one other option that you can do. You can see anything that you like on top of this little box. It can be flowers, it could be something like this little tea saucer and tea cup, and I'm using it to show you guys since it is a tea theme. And these are the flowers and stuff that I'm going to use. I'm going to show you my completed one that I did before I did this one. I like to sometimes do a dry run on my DIYs when I'm trying to really be creative and come up with something. So I'm just showing you that this is how I did the first one, and I will come back tomorrow when I get my glue gun fixed, because this one is definitely going into the trash, and I don't have any glue to fit my white one, which works fine. And it's too late at night for me to be going out this late for some glue. So I'm just showing you guys. I'm going to leave a link to another DIY that I've done using that floating teacup method. It looks like this. This was a clip that I was using from the very beginning, and I decided not to record yet. So you take a fork and you kind of bend it and glue it in the saucer, and then you glue the teacup on top. But this is the final look of the DIY, and it's gorgeous, you guys. I hope she loves it. This probably will be her first time seeing it, just like you guys, because I'm not going to share it with her. I'm just going to let her see what I created when she watches this video. Like I said, if you're interested in knowing how I created the floating teacup method, then I have another video DIY that I did, I think back for Valentine's Day, and I will link that in the description box or in the iCard up above, so that you guys can check that out. It's pretty much the same thing, except for I'm using two different pieces, but the concept is exactly the same, so you can see how I got to this point. And then I just took some of those pretty flowers. Most of them are from Dollar Tree, but the little small roses ones are from Michael's Craft Store, and I got that for I think it was $1 on sale, because they were $2, but I got it when it was 50% off, so I paid $1 for the bundle or the bunch. And then, you know, the Dollar Tree flowers are $1. I added some little bling and some little gems, you know, just trying to dress it up a little bit. Some faux pearls on the side. Yeah, so I hope that she really do like this DIY. Thank you guys for coming along and watching, and my apologies that I did not get to show you guys the whole entire completed project, but my glue gun blew up on me. So, you know, that's life sometimes. But I do appreciate you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, and I hope you guys subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.